welcome back to our channel. I'm Brielle.
I'm Ashley. Excuse me.
Wait.
Good? Hi everyone, I'm Brielle.
I'm Ashley.
And today we are going to do the no mirror makeup challenge. I know we're late, but so what? We can do whatever we want, right?
Yep.
So let's get started.
Right,
You'll already notice.
Closer up to us.
You'll already notice that her makeup will be a little bit more high-end in some instances.
Just a
mine,
few pieces.
Mine is totally drugstore, and there is no shame in my game. So I have Revlon Color Stay.
We already prepped our faces, so that was done off camera.
Oh my gosh, this is
So
so
already feels so unnatural.
horrific. It's
What
already
is-
unnatural when I'm doing it in front of a mirror. Now I don't have a mirror.
Oh my god. And we don't even have like a viewfinder here that we can look at.
No,
like we're
there's
looking
no
just
cheating.
at a camera. We have nothing.
I love wasting makeup. This is gonna be rough.
Please subscribe.
Oh, and if you're wondering about why my beauty blender is massive, my sister got me this for Christmas, or my birthday, sometime last year. And it's from Real Techniques, and it's like a body beauty blender, which is good because I get rosacea everywhere. And I just use it for my face now, and it's great.
Does anybody else feel like they have to extra beat their nose? Like, I feel like I have to really get in.
Oh, and my forehead is so dry. Anybody have tips on that? Because when I see beauty gurus just take a glop of foundation, pop it on their forehead, I'm like, yeah, that would not be a good look for me at all. It would be Flake City, am I right?
Yes. My sister has a lot. She has a lot of external medical issues. Mine are more internal.
Blessed.
Hashtag blessed.
I feel like I'm done. I'm telling you, people are gonna be like, is that girl even wearing makeup? But it's because I don't put a lot of makeup on, ever.
I blended this.
Do I look good? Is there anything on my face?
Our mic fell.
I didn't even do my nose. Did I do my nose?
You didn't, I'll tell you that.
I'm just so afraid to put so much and look really crazy.
Oh, I just almost grabbed my palette that had. Well, I'm going to be careful because one of my palettes had. This is so weird.
It is weird. I know it's so bad, but I'm too scared to put too much, especially on my nose and forehead, because they're dry. My cheeks are better, but you know what? That's just gonna be how it's gonna be. So,
Do you wear concealer?
no. Should I?
No, I don't think you need it.
I'm good. I have my little case here. All my brushes. To do all the things I don't know how to do. So I'm going to take my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Drugstore is the way to go. This should be easy. Powder should be easy. You don't need a mirror for this.
I agree. Drugstore makeup is really good. You do not have to go high end.
How do I look, babe? My husband's behind the camera. So,
I look. Okay.
what do you think about Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson's?
I was obsessed. The Jeffree Star Shane Dawson collab was everything.
Everything.
I waited, like I could not wait when he uploaded. I saw them right away.
I only started watching Shane Dawson a couple of months ago, so it hasn't been too long. It's really when his content started changing to what he's doing now, and he's just so good.
Yeah, his content now really grabbed me. He's just awesome. Him and his whole team and his whole squad. So funny.
So also I do not contour. I don't do bronzer. I don't do that stuff because I don't know how to do it. So I go straight to blush. Yours doesn't look so bad.
Thanks.
I probably look like I have nothing on my face.
Oh.
Alright, I have my Milani powder blush. I'm sure you don't care which one because this is not a makeup tutorial.
Trust me, this is not. Okay. That feels good. Moving on. My
What is
mini
that?
hula. So small.
What is that, bronzer?
Yeah. Oh, there's a mirror in there. I didn't see anything.
Cheater. What do we think about the door opening right now? Somebody's trying to come in.
Either someone's trying to come in or we've got a ghost. So now I feel like I'm messing things up. Like I'm dirty. It's gonna look dirty.
I just feel like I'm not doing anything, and it's really embarrassing.
You're doing something. You are doing something.
Is it a lot of... What have I done? Don't make fun of me.
like porcelain dolls. Yeah, very rosy cheeks.
I love blush.
I love blush.
I like blush.
I like eggs.
I like eggs. Where's that from?
If you know where that's from, I F with you.
The 90s, or was it the 90s or the early 2000s?
I don't remember, but that was everything to me.
Good stuff.
Funny.
I hope I have to drive home after this. Hope I don't encounter any people. I was gonna talk about something else. What else should we talk about? What are some other hot topics that we should discuss? Oh, I'm moving on to my eyes already. Oh, I didn't bring the other thing that I use for my eyebrows.
Oh, it's a mirror!
I'm not looking at it. You scared me.
Cover it with your coastal set brush thingy.
So what do you guys think about the Kardashians?
I was just gonna say that. Like, what do you guys think about Kim calling Kourtney the least interesting to look at?
I mean, facts. I don't like any of them personally, but what?
I'm nervous to do this. This is where things are gonna go down the drain for me.
Eye makeup.
No.
It's just I've never felt more.
Yes.
I've never felt more unsure of what I'm doing and like totally embarrassed. Like this is all what I normally do, and now it all feels wrong.
It really feels unnatural. But what are you gonna do?
So, what are some of your favorite YouTube videos to watch? I'm really into Trisha Paytas and Jason Nash at the moment.
Oh, I do watch the Vlog Squad.
I'm really into that whole thing. I know that it's like not quality content sometimes, but it's what I signed up for.
Trisha's the iconic skinny queen. Skinny legend.
She's skinny legend.
Skinny legend. Oh, forgive me, Trish, if you happen to come across this video.
Oh my gosh, if Trisha Paytas watches this video, I will just
Die.
I guess.
Trisha, could you comment down below so we know you're here?
Because we love you. And
do.
Jason.
We do.
How do I look?
Great!
Oh my gosh. I really do have to drive home later. Oh, and tonight's Big Brother. There's a topic. This one's not. Who else watches Big Brother out there?
I used to watch it, but for some reason this season I just...
No, you watched the first episode and you stopped.
I know.
The last season, Big Brother 19, for any hardcore Big Brother fans, was a train wreck. Maybe that's
that
not
one made me so mad.
That's probably why you're not watching. But
that scarred me.
yeah, it was really bad. But this one, it's everything. Just so you guys know, spoiler alert, Up till now, Bailey was the most recent person to get evicted, and she went to jury. Which...
Bailey, that's the one with the accent?
No?
Was she? Who's Bailey?
It was the black girl.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't even know why I'm commenting because I am not watching.
She dated Swaggy C, and they had sex, and she was worried she got pregnant.
Whoa, I might just have to start watching this season.
He's evicted and she's evicted, so.
I did see it. I do recall Swaggy C.
Yeah, he's gone, but she's in jury.
Wow,
and Haley is HOH, so tonight is nomination. So let me know if any of you out there watch Big Brother because it is addicting. This is horrible. Yours doesn't look bad.
I am so tempted to look at a camera.
I know. I want to just look in the mirror already. I'm almost done. I don't do eyeliner or my eyebrows really. With my eyebrows, I just take a little, which I didn't bring with me, but I take like a little eyebrow brush and just like brush them and put a little bit of powder on them, but that's it. Because my eyebrows don't have a great shape.
Where are my eyebrows? I'm just gonna draw somewhere. Where are you at? Okay.
Mine are done. So eyebrows on fleek.
Me too.
And yours isn't even bad.
Okay. Something happened when I turned my face. And now I'm scared.
What do I look like? Where did I go wrong? This is everything I normally do.
This has to be where the
chapstick time. I don't wear lip gloss. Sometimes I'll wear lip gloss on like my wedding day, but other than that,
lip gloss is for those fancy days.
Yeah, I don't wear lip gloss or can't look in the mirror or lipstick. I just don't. So I wear my Carmex. Carmex. I just wear chapstick, and I also have dry lips, guys. If I told you everything, all but my ailments, we'd be here all night. And I live in New Jersey, so it's cold here. This even feels wrong. I thought this would be easier.
Mascara. Did you do your mascara yet?
No. I feel like it's gonna give me anxiety. Alright, mascara time. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is probably 2 years old.
Oh my gosh, no wonder she has so many ailments. Her makeup is so old.
But honestly, listen, I'm cheap. This has a shelf life of 6 months, and I swear I got this like Christmas 2015.
Look, you should need to go to Rimmel. It's 12 months.
But maybe this is fresher, less chemicals.
Too bad about my mascara.
Mascara time.
Okay, I'm
ready to
look at that color. That is a bright orange.
That is Miranda Sings.
I wouldn't know. This is bright orange. I would never wear this. This is called Electro. I would never wear this in public. This is a new lipstick here. I'm just gonna use it for the sake of the video.
You look good. Like you could go to work right now. Me too.
Yeah.
And this is your setting spray. I put this on before we started the video, and it flared up my rosacea. So I can't.
But it's a really good product if you have normal skin.
I mean, yeah, it says cruelty-free, paraben-free. I'm just like a reptile. I don't know what's wrong with me. But this is my finished product. How do I look?
I'm definitely gonna want to seal this in for a long time.
Slay!
Where's your mirror?
It's over there.
Alright guys, we don't know what we look like yet. I mean, we know I can see her if you can see me. But we're about to reveal our looks to each other.
I feel like I look really good.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I did it.
I feel like you should have gone harder.
I was just too scared.
Alright. So, you ready to see what you look like?
Well, I look good. I look like my everyday regular. No makeup.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine. I like that much blush.
My nose too.
Look at my eyes. They're like prettier than when I look. I know it probably looks like I have nothing on my face.
It actually, yeah, your eyes look good.
Right? Like for me? Mm-hmm. That's alright.
My face suddenly is so ticklish.
Alright, it's your turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
How could you think I'm gonna work like this? It looks good!
Oh!
I mean, the lipstick
Wow.
is too much for work. But everything else is okay.
I definitely needed more work on the blending. Eyebrows are... Actually,
Your eyebrows are good.
I did good for what I... Yeah, see, I would never wear this lipstick out in public. But I wanted it to actually show for
That-
the video. And that...
I mean, it's not bad.
Who wouldn't want to take us out on the town?
So I know that was probably a little underwhelming on my part, but this is really honestly how I do my makeup on the regular. I don't do a lot of makeup. I just can't do it. If I could do it, I would do it, but I can't. I don't know how. So this is me.
She would if she could, but she can't, so
So I
won't.
don't. Looking good. Hope you guys enjoyed spending time with us and watching this video. Let us know if you liked it in the comments below and any other ideas for future videos that we could do. Whatever you guys want to see us do, we would be totally willing to try. So let us know any ideas. It was really fun hanging out with you guys and doing this no mirror makeup challenge. And we will see you all in our next video.
Bye!
Bye-bye!